Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve notifications on FIFA Mobile. To know how to fix or how to solve FIFA Mobile notifications, you should just go to settings. Here on this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will search about this window of FIFA Mobile and you will enter here. Then in this list you will go to this window of force stop and you will click OK. After that we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then you can go to your airplane mode, you can turn on, then you can wait a moment and you can turn off your airplane again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.